Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be looking at the Ice Wizard gaming cooling pad for laptops from White Shark. Okay, so that's it there. As you can see on the back, we've got plenty of product information on the back there. What we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the box, we're going to connect it out to a laptop, we're going to see exactly what it's all about. Okay, so here we have the White Shark. The gaming only, by the way. You can't use it unless you're gaming. Obviously that's a joke. You can use it whenever you want. If you get a particularly warm laptop and your fans are on all the time, this would be ideal for that. So let's have a quick look over the unit itself. So as you can see, the fans in there. So you've got 4 large fans and 1 small fan in the middle. On the front, obviously you've got the gaming only bit. Top White Shark logo. Obviously always looks smart, the White Shark logo. And then here you have 2 USB ports. And then you've got the controls there for the fans and lights and what have you there. So this little piece in the front here, okay, when you actually take that out of the box, it's clipped into the back. Yeah, so you just pop that out, stick that in the front, and that's for your laptop to sit up against nicely. On the back here, you've got your legs, okay, so you can pop the big leg out, or you can pop the small leg out, like so. Yeah, apologies for being upside down, I'm at a very strange angle here. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually put the big legs up, and we're going to stand it up here. Okay, so that's what she looks like when she's on her own there. You also get a USB cable. Okay, we also get that in the box as well. The idea is that you plug the USB cable into the back of the device, and then when you've got your laptop, which we'll just grab now, you put your laptop on the base, like so, and then you plug that USB into the laptop USB port, which is just there. Now, let's lift the lid up on the laptop, get it turned on. Okay, as you can see, the switches are already on. Well, at least two of the fans, look. Okay, so the two large ones at the bottom and the middle one are on. Let's turn the other switch on. That activates the top 2. So you've got the two twisty dials on the back there, control either the top 2 or the bottom 3. Or you can have all 5 on, obviously, if you've got them all on. That's nice and cold, quite a lot of cold air coming out there, which is obviously good. You've got a spare USB as well, because obviously you're going to be using the USB that's on your laptop. Yeah, so you just pop that on top of there. So you're using up the USB slot on there, so rather than losing that completely, they've put you another one on the back, so you can plug straight in, and then you can come straight out of there with something else that you might need plugged in as well. But that's basically it. That's as much as I can show you on this particular device. But it is very nice, like I say. So if I just close that back down again, okay, you notice the lights have gone off because the power's gone off to the computer. It's got a nice, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, you kind of can. So it's like a Spider-Man logo almost, which is nice raised design on there as well. So obviously it's nice metal mesh, which is good, with the lights, with the fans. It's quite a tidy bit of kit that, I quite like it. So that's all I can show you on this video. So obviously if you've liked it, drop a like below. If you've got any comments, if you want any further demonstration or you need any questions answered, then let me know in the comments below. Apart from that, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.